Hi, it's Rebecca with the GN John, and I wanted to show you a real quick and cool little tool on Google Analytics that will help you understand a bit more of your Etsy stats. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to my stats and really just wanted to drill down into my top keywords and search terms here and just figure out, okay, like how many times is getting searched for? What is this unknown thing? you know, um, how many times people searching for things like wedding, and is this kind of a new thing, or is this, when does the wedding season start for me? Is this something I should be trying to work with more? And to answer some of those questions, I've tried to recently start going over to Google Analytics. There is a report here called, I think it's called all pages. Here we go. Site content, all pages. And this report brings up like all your traffic at a certain time. So you can see basically all the hits to everything. And there's a little bit of a trick that I have learned. When Etsy has their URL addresses listed here like this, these are just links to your shop, basically, people are coming to. But when somebody does a search, let's see if I can find one for you real quick. When someone does a search in your shop, you're going to see search_query in this address. So you can kind of see what people are searching for here. Now, let's say I want to find out in 2017, the whole year of 2017. So we're going to go set the date range. Let's say from January to present. I want to know, when did people start searching for Easter things? So here's my data. I'm going to go to this search field and just type query equals Easter. And this is going to return any time someone searched for a search term or phrase starting with Easter and came and viewed something in my shop. So someone searched Easter garland to come find me, Easter hat for dogs, Easter crochet patterns. So, this is kind of showing me what they searched for when they came to me, which you can get from Etsy anyway, but then it also shows me, this kind of trend here. And you can clearly see, when these start taking off is, sometime around, February, it's starting to get consistent. And here in March, it's really starting to peak. So this can be really helpful for you to figure out, where your traffic is coming from and when things are popular. If you do the same thing with wedding, for example. And this isn't including every search that has the word wedding in it, but ones that start with wedding. And here you can kind of see mine are really spread out, which might be kind of surprising. But here is when I started using that keyword a bit more often. So you can see they're kind of getting closer together. And this tells me that what I'm doing might actually be working pretty well. So I think this is a really helpful tool to kind of drill down into your keywords, and I hope you guys are able to take advantage of it. You do have to have Google Analytics set up first, and it has to run, I think, for a week or two before you can get into this. But again, it's definitely worth doing, and it's free. So I encourage you to go set it up, and I hope that you're able to do this and get some good information from it. Thanks. Bye.